Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. In previous videos, we have completed the concept of the introduction part of linear inequality in one variable and linear inequality in two variables. And we have also known about the standard form of linear inequality in one variable and in two variables. Now the next topic is algebraic solutions of linear inequality in one variable. And after this we will also study about the algebraic solution of linear inequality in two variables. Means these both we have to learn, or we both these two topics we have to understand. Now come on the solution part of this inequality. How can we find the solution? What is the meaning of solution for inequality? So see here, solution of inequality means any solution of an inequality in one variable is a value of the variable which makes it a true statement. So what is the meaning of this? So meaning of this is, suppose I am taking one inequality. You know what is inequality? The sign, an statement or an algebraic expression contain any one of the symbol less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to is called linear inequality. And if you have any inequality, suppose I am taking x less than 5, x less than 5, this is an inequality. And if I am talking about the solution of this inequality, it means any solution of an inequality in one variable is a value of the variable which makes it a true statement. So which makes it a true statement means, if I am asking to you that tell me whether 2 is the solution of this inequality or not, so your answer will be yes. Why? Because when you will put 2 instead of x, then you will get 2 less than 5, which is a true statement. And according to the definition of solution of inequality, it means any solution of an inequality in one variable is a value of the variable which makes it a true statement. Which makes it a true statement means, like 2 is the number which makes this inequality a true statement. So how many solutions we can get from here? So infinitely many solutions we have got from here. Why? 1 is also the solution, 2 is also the solution, 3 is also the solution, 4 is also the solution, and similarly 0 and so on. These are the solutions if we are saying that x belongs to z. So the solution set is also depends upon the condition whether the x belongs to z, whether the x belongs to natural number or real number or whole numbers. So using these all we can find the solution of a linear inequality. So what is the definition of solution of an inequality? Solution of an inequality means a value of the variable which makes it a true statement. Now take another example. What is another example? Suppose I am taking x less than suppose 3, x less than 3, and I am giving the condition that x belongs to R. Suppose x belongs to R. Now what can be the condition? What can be the solution set? Now what is the meaning of solution set? So see here, the set of all solutions of an inequality is called the set of all solutions. So x less than 3 has infinitely many solutions, and if we are containing these all solutions means minus infinity to 3, where 3 is not include means we have to take this open bracket. So the solution set for this inequality is minus infinity to 3. If you are changing the condition for x means, suppose if you are taking the question in which x belongs to suppose n. So if you are writing the solution set, so what is the solution set for this inequality? X less than 3, it means your answer can be 1 or 2. Can we take 3? No, because less means this is the strict inequality which we have studied in the first video. So the answer is 1, 2 only. This is the solution set when x belongs to n. Similarly, if I am changing this x belongs to n to x belongs to z, so what is the solution set for this? So solution set for this is 2, 1, 0, means maximum value can be 2 if x belongs to z, then minus 1, minus 2, and so on up to minus infinity. So this is the solution set for this linear inequality in one variable when x belongs to z. So this is the solution set. If we are collecting, or if we are making the set of all the solution, then it is called solution set. So what is the solution of inequality and what is solution set? I hope you have understood. Thank you.